madulas yung bola sa mga kamay ni Mark Caguioa. Turnover.
But going back to those 2 3-point shots that I mentioned, Miko, later on that will pay off because pag pinosti na naman nila si Chris Alexander, hindi na makaka-help yung Air 21 because they know that Ginebra is making their outside shot.
Halfway through the opening quarter, Thomas at the post. Another steal for Ginebra. Here comes Caguioa, had a turnover moments ago. And there's a whistle blown. Offensive foul against Ginebra.
Speaking of turnovers, it has gone both ways. Air 21, marami na silang turnover as well as Barangay Ginebra. It seemed that in this series, both teams have had a penchant of turning the ball over.
They go inside. Arwin Santos with a time advantage over Mark Caguioa. It will really happen with Air 21 when you have 4 bigs and 1 big guard in Arboleda. They will get those mismatches.
And it's all about execution. Just a simple back screen at nalibre si Arwin Santos. Mark Caguioa doesn't want to get caught at the post with Arwin.
Still a 1-point lead for Ginebra. That's another block for Arwin Santos, but a foul is called by referee Peter Balao. First personal laban kay Ranidel de Ocampo. First team foul against Air 21. 2 free throws for the former MVP, Eric Mick. And be a part of history as San Miguel Beer Oktoberfest 120 tries to break the Guinness World Record for the world's longest beer bar and the most number of people toasting on September 5 at San Miguel Avenue, Ortigas. Kaya tara na, Oktoberfest na. 2 misses on the line mula kay Eric Meng. Nevertheless, Ginebra holding on to a precarious 1-point lead, 12-11. We approach the last 5 minutes of the opening period. Here comes Arboleda on the right side. Baksak si Artadi, that's an offensive foul.
You know, Miko, Paul Artadi has really had Winnie Arboleda's number in this series. Artadi's quickness has been bothering itong si Arboleda. And Arboleda, usually when he's bringing down the ball, has to turn sideways kasi natatakot siya sa quickness ni Artadi.
Of course, this matchup between Artadi and Arboleda, a battle between 2 excellent pickpockets on the court. Here comes Alexander. Alexander, double team, outside, Valenzuela. Valenzuela on the move. Fade away, no go. Ball ends up with Arwin Santos. Here's Arwin Santos. Kick out pass. Gary David from the corner. This for Mr. Pure Energy.
And from the corner, from the bench, fresh from the bench, Gary David just coming in, instant offense. Gary David missing link in the last game, importante sa Air 21 na pumutok siya. Yan yung mga turnover na pinag-usapan natin. Napakarami para sa inyo.
Sumagot naman si Junto Valenzuela with his own TM3. At lamang na muli ang Ginebra, 15-14. It's a traveling violation against Winnie Arboleda na kanina pa kinukulit ni Paul Artadi.
Right now, changing of the guards. Papasok si Egay Billones, papasok si Chris Bacana. Usually, it's Egay Billones that does a better job against Paul Artadi, while Winnie Arboleda does a better job against Chris Bacana. So, nag-mix and match sila ngayon. At ito, advantage Barangay Ginebra. Kasi kanina, lamang si Artadi kay Arboleda.
Now, with all the confidence in the world, Chris Bacana attacks the defense of the smaller Egay Billones. First personal against Egay Billones. People talk about, Paul Artadi's career coming to life. Eric Meng also with a great series. But what about Chris Bacana? He had no team.
Yeah, he was in the States.
He had no team at the start. But look at where Chris Bacana now playing in a Game 7 for Ginebra in this excellent electric atmosphere inside a big dome.
You're a Ginebra fan. Someone told me Chris Bacana is going to have to play 20 minutes in the finals for Barangay Ginebra to win. No one would believe it. Ito yung nabagit natin, 3-point shooting. Barangay Ginebra, perfect so far. That's a key for them.
Here's Tubid, Mr. Fearless. forcing one up. Thought he could get a call there, but no luck. And the ball will go to Air 21. 3.5 remaining in the opening period. Gary David on about 3. And Thomas and Tubit going at it, at si Tubit ang tatawagan ng foul.
Look right here. Stephen Thomas trying to set the screen. There's that second motion, and definitely a foul on Ronald Tubit.
We have a timeout. We'll be right back. Back inside the Big Dome. And we have Diana and Ariana. Mga kasama natin sa TV5. They host Ogags. One of the...
Pagkatapos yan eh. Pagkatapos ng game yan. Tama ba yun?
Mamaya. One of the hottest news shows here on TV5. Kaya dapat shake mo. TV mo.
Hot din sila. Hot din sila. Nakita natin kanina. Sabi mo sa akin.
No, it's talking about the show. Anyway, back to the game. Then 8 to go in the opening period. Air ball released by Ranadel de Ocampo. The Rocket JC Intal is in the game for the first time.
And fairly early in the game, nakikita natin, Coach Bob Perasol going to his bench early, making sure that his players are ready.
Alexander. 6 points in the game for Chris Alexander as we send you over to Eric Reyes.
If there are a lot of penetrations, nakakaroon ng opportunity si Chris Alexander. Sinabi ni Coach Bob Perasol, hindi niya maintindihan sa mga players na they just have to stay in front because ganun ang nangyayari pag nakapenetrate yung mga players ng Ginebra. At sinabi pa niya, get Gary David involved early. Guys?
Speaking of Gary David, he just converted on a PM3. He has 6 in the game. Well, Gary David has an automatic here in the Fiesta Conference. Dute Valenzuela against a taller Intal. And Valenzuela using every ounce of experience trying to score. Here comes Tubit. Tubit fakes and fakes. Eric makes from the corner.
That's all about ball movement. Junti Valenzuela did not panic after he got the offensive rebound. Able to find the open man, and Eric Banks hitting the outside shot.
Under 2 minutes to go in the opening period. Intal, a swipe by Junti Valenzuela. That's last touch on Gary David. As we hear this report from Senor Domingo El Conquistador, Dominico.
Nico, makikita mo talaga itong si Mark Aguilar really wanting to win this ball game. He may be injured and hindi siya masyadong makatulong on the court. Kaya naman pagdating dun sa coaching, nakikitulong siya. And he said something very good para dito sa Barangay Ginebra Kings. He said, think of this, guys. Every time we turn the ball over, 2 points yan para sa Air 21. So we better make sure we take care of the ball. So,
well, that's Kagua showing leadership even on the bench. And Alex Cresano na kahit yata itong si Alex siya.
And for Barangay Ginebra, the last 2 baskets, Nico, have come on offensive rebound. The last one coming from Alex Cresano.
Homer C will be called for the offensive foul as he brushed Ronald Tubit aside. First personal laban kay Homer C. Junti Valenzuela will take a breather, and Sunday Salvacion takes his place on the court. And you know, Sunday Salvacion lives for games like this. Tubit top of the key against Gary David. Tubit on the hole. Tubit all the way. Homer say with the rebound. Homer say, look out, everybody get out of the way. And miraculously passes it to Egay Millones for the basket.
But his game has changed today. Game 7.